The videoReferee software interface looks like this. The interface may differ depending on the configured settings. The main window is divided into several functional areas. Monitoring windows, which display incoming signals from cameras. A window with messages about the operating mode and special situations. Information about errors and missed frames is displayed here. It also displays information about the presence and connection of timecode. Control panel. It is designed for working with video and contains various buttons. It is divided into several functional areas. Game data management. Time, period, score, and fouls. Selection of the active channel. Buttons for managing events, switching display modes, zooming, and controlling playback of recorded video. Search and playback bar. Assigning tags to events. Tags are pre-configured in the Slow-Mo Launcher software. Windows with values received from the Scoreboard controller. Slider for adjusting playback speed. Recording control panel. Designed to start and stop video recording. Video output monitoring window. Duplicates the referee's output and allows you to view the selected channel. Toolbar. Contains buttons for controlling additional program features. Working with the Tools menu and the Audio panel. Resizing the program window. Turning tooltips on and off. Minimizing and closing the program window. Event list. Displays events created while working with the video.